Hello everyone, this is for sale. Ito po yung bahay. So, 1 to 2 car garage. Dining, tapos kitchen, storage area, next quarter, tapos sa labas po. Tapos tataas po tayo sa downstairs, sa mga bedroom. So, halos hindi pa nagamit ang bahay na to. Since nabili ko nung few years ago. Ayan po siya. Toilet and ito yung master's bedroom. May veranda. Ito yung view. This is another toilet and bath. Room 2. Yung number 3. Ayan. So, open photo for bank financing if you like. So, here's the property. Ayan po. Hope magustuhan nyo.